Yeah, what's good, YouTube? This is nicolasmadeit from South Africa, and I'm back with another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 books that I recommend to y'all, which helped me so much to become a better music producer and a beat maker. Some of these books you may be familiar with, but trust me, you will learn so much if you decide to read them. I've learned a lot myself. You can get these books on Google Play Store. I've left the links on the description down below, so feel free to check them out. So without wasting any further time, let's get to it.